What's the meaning of anticlimactic? Anticlimactic. 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 Anticlimactic.
The word anticlimactic is used to describe a disappointing and underwhelming ending or outcome. It is often used when something that was built up as exciting or significant falls short of expectations, leaving the audience feeling let down or unsatisfied. The lack of suspense, drama or excitement creates an unfulfilling experience. This term can be applied to various situations, including movies, books, sports matches, speeches, or any other events where the end result fails to meet expectations, resulting in a feeling of disappointment.